everyone! I hope you're having an amazing day so far. Let's dive right into the charts. LTC to USDT is showing some serious signs of building a potential Q3 recovery. We just saw it defend the key $45 to $47 support zone, where buyers are continuing to absorb that selling pressure. This recent stabilization suggests the bearish momentum is finally weakening, and Litecoin is attempting to establish a higher base after months of decline. So what are we looking for next? Well, a decisive move above $50 would really strengthen this bullish outlook and could trigger a rally toward $57, followed by our next target of $70. If momentum continues to build and the broader crypto market sentiment remains positive, Litecoin could even extend this recovery toward the $85 to $135 region during Q3. As long as that major support zone holds up, the overall technical structure favors a gradual bullish reversal, making LTC one of the key large-cap altcoins you definitely want to watch for a potential breakout in the months ahead. Now, are you looking for daily premium trading calls and personal chart requests? Just send me a DM with the name of your favorite cryptocurrency, and I will personally provide a detailed technical analysis just for you. Also, make sure to visit our Patreon page using the link in the description to join our premium community and unlock all of our exclusive trading content. If you are enjoying these crypto updates, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest trading ideas and market analysis. And finally, a quick reminder, guys, this technical analysis is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk before making any investment decisions. Hey everyone! I hope you're having an amazing